Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the Bunny. Whoa, that was a big yawn. I had to open my mouth really wide. This is my mouth right here. When Mummy tickles me or makes a funny face at me, I open my mouth and laugh like this. You can guess what happens when I hear a song that I like. I open my mouth and sing. La 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 la. And when my mouth feels thirsty, I take a sip of water. Water is the best. Uh-oh. That's another sound that comes out of my mouth. Hiccuping. Phew, the hiccups have gone. My mouth is so busy, yawning, talking, laughing, singing, drinking, and hiccuping. But I think my mouth can do one more thing. Eat a yummy carrot. Say bye-bye, Harry the Bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.